Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric wall heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Broan-NuTone 174 wall heater. First on our list is the white enamel electric wall heater by Bronn. This steel unit comes with an inbuilt heater that offers an energy-saving heating supplement to the house. It also has a manual reset button to prevent thermal overload and ensure safe operation. Overall, the heater is pretty easy to use and comes with detailed guidelines. This electric wall heater has a one-piece design and comes with a baked enamel finish that offers durability, so you don't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. Moreover, you can easily operate it at 500 watts, even though it is originally designed to operate at 1000 or 2000 watts. Simply put, it is an energy-efficient option. Plus, it has a front-mounted thermostat which can automatically adjust the room temperature to its optimum level. Not to mention how it is pretty safe to use. It includes a manual reset protector that prevents any thermal overload. Moving on at number 4, we have the Heattorm HS-1500-PHX wall heater. Next on our list is the electric wall heater by Heattorm, which has a built-in infrared space heater. It can help you keep your bedroom warm and cozy even long after it is turned off. Also, you don't have to worry about burning your skin while touching it, as the heater is made of anti-burn material. One of the most impressive features of this electric wall heater is its ability to produce radiant and forced air that circulates all across the room to warm it up. Furthermore, the heater is safe to touch, as the material doesn't burn your skin up to touching it. It also automatically shuts off to prevent overheating. At number 3, we have the Heattorm HS-1500-PHX-WIFI. Next, we have the high-tech wall-mounted electric infrared heater by Heattorm that comes with a Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat. This modern piece is also equipped with a radiant heating method, which efficiently warms up your room really quickly. It is also portable, making it easy for you to move it to any room around the house. The infrared red has a smart heating technology that's Wi-Fi enabled and allows you to control the heater from your smartphone. So you can be sitting in the living room yet easily adjust your bedroom temperature using this Wi-Fi heater. Furthermore, the infrared quality of the heater makes it energy efficient. It also has a wall mount design that can help you save floor space in your room. Hence, it is ideal for small areas, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and so on. At number 2, we have the EconoHome wall mount heater panel. The 5th product on our list is the wall mount electric heater panel by EconoHome that has an inbuilt thermostat. It is a 400-watt convection heater, ideal for rooms with around 120 square feet of area. Also, it is a 120-volt electric heater that comes with an overheat protection feature. The most attractive feature of the heater panel is its new and improved heating method, which allows warm air to be circulated throughout the entire room. It uses convection heating methods, and so the convection currents from the heater panel produce a consistent room temperature. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stiebel Eltron 74058. This wall heater comes with an ultra-quiet fan that offers a quiet and peaceful performance. You won't even realize when the heater is turned on. Also, the downdraft design helps the heater to suck up cold air from the top and blow out warm air from the bottom. It ensures the even distribution of warm air throughout the room. Hence, the heater can easily warm up large rooms. Furthermore, the built-in thermostat helps in easy temperature regulation within the room, so you can adjust the heat as per your needs without much hassle. It also has a booster timer that monitors the heat output. The timer allows a maximum heat output for an hour before the heater reverts to its original thermostat setting. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!